guys, it's Mesa with Kinsmade, and I have another project that I'm about to start with the red Levi's that I picked up, about 25 pair of them. I'm trying to make them, one of a kind, individualize them. I'm using this Dollar Tree rug underlay, keeps your rug from slipping, and I've used scissors and I've cut it apart in a really as jagged of a configuration as I can possibly make. Laid it over there, and what I'm going to do, hey kitten, you better get lost. Okay, so what I'm going to use is half bleach and half water in a spray bottle, dollar store, whole thing. And whoops, I got this grass here. I don't want that. Do not want that interfering in my pattern. If it was just a tiny little speck, I wouldn't care, but oh look, that other grass is peeking up under. All that's my strategy is the pant leg. So I'm gonna try, without ever moving this. Do not ever move this once you get it on there during your process. So I'm going to try to spray this part, spray a little angle and let that start developing, and then move over slightly till I get to the edge. I'm going to just kind of have like a spray painted edge is what it's going to look like right here. I don't want this void, so I'm just going to ease it down a tiny bit. And I also want to make sure to lay this as flat as possible. It was folded up in that package, so it has a little bit, you can see the shadows underneath it, so I want it to lay down really, really well. It would probably be a good idea to weight this part down, just so that it's not humped up over the grass. In fact, maybe I will do that. I'm going to pause the video. Okay, you can see what I've done is just laid my broom and my dust mop over those little loose flaps. The bleach isn't going to bother them. And now I'm going to go ahead and spray for you. Oops. That thing moved up on me a bit. Lay it down everywhere, flat as possible. And I'm going to bleach the corner here, and I'm going to move over here, bleach the corresponding corner. Let that just set for a few seconds. I'm going to go up the next length a little bit farther each time. More here at the bottom. Okay, now I'm going to spray this lead edge. Seam over here, you can see it's already developing where that mist is coming up. One more quick spritz. Okay, you can see I'm keeping my bottle at the same angle and just moving down like that. I'm not moving this up and down, side to side. I'm keeping it straight and just moving straight up and down the pant leg. I'm going to flip them over, get it ready real quick, and do the other side. You can see I've done the other side now, and I'm going to get them immediately into the washer on a cold, short cycle. I don't want them in there for a long time. I want to get them immediately into the washer and get that bleach rinsed out of them. I'm going to do it with 2 rinses, so the short cycle with 2 rinses. And I'm going to do this immediately because it is developed quite a bit.